Let's be honest, most free AI video generation tools are just a waste of time. Either they limit you after a few uses, or the output quality is so low that you can't even use it in your own videos. I've been testing various AI tools for several days to see which ones actually deliver professional and usable results. In this video, you'll get to know AI tools that are almost free or have subscription costs much lower than other platforms. And at the end, I've got a special bonus for you. I'll show you how to get an invite code for Sora 2 so you can create viral trending videos like this one. Plus, we'll be testing all these AI tools together to see how they really perform and whether we can actually use them for our own video production. Let's dive in. LTX Studio is the first AI tool we're going to explore together. It's a powerful tool that can generate images, create videos, and even add sound to your video. To use this AI, all you have to do is search for LTX Studio on Google and click on a trusted link. Once you're on the page, click on the Start for Free button at the top. At this stage, you can log in either with your Google account or with your email. I'm logging in with my Google account. Now, we're in the Home section, which has several options. The ones we'll be using the most are Generate Video and Generate Image. Let's test them out and see the result. To start, I click on Generate Video. Initially, you're given 100% free credit so you can create videos or images. I click the Upload button to add the image I want. Once it's uploaded, we can write our prompt in this section. I'll start with a simple prompt and type in animate. As you can see, it supports multiple models, but some of them require a subscription. I'm using the new free model. Next is the audio option. You can turn it on or off. I'll keep it on so the sound is included in the video. The following option is time, which lets you set the video length from 6 to 10 seconds. Then there's the resolution, which supports up to 4K. After that, you set the size, and finally, you select the number of output. I set it to 2 so we can see the results side by side. The creation process takes about 2 minutes, and for these two outputs, around 48% of our credit is used, leaving us with 52%. Now let's check out the final result. It's truly amazing. The lighting, sound, and even the horse's movement are incredibly natural and professional. Notice that the character even breathes. It's built so realistically and with such high quality. You can even hear the horse's footsteps clearly. Truly professional. Now let's test generating an image to see what it can create. I'll write a prompt. John Wick in a cyberpunk environment holding a gun with a dog by his side. As you can see, for creating this image, we're using the Flux model since the other models require a subscription. Here, you can choose the camera angle to get the shot you want. The next option is style, which lets you define the style of the image with several options. Then there's style reference, where you can upload an image for the AI to use as a reference. Finally, set the size and click generate. A few seconds later, the images are ready. They're really impressive. While the faces aren't perfectly detailed, the style, outfit, and John Wick's hairstyle are captured beautifully. Truly excellent. Now let's create an even more professional image. For example, I want to generate a motorcyclist escaping from the police on the streets of France. I write the prompt and click generate. After a few seconds, the images are ready. And as you can see, the quality is outstanding. They're completely professional and incredible. Next, I'll turn this scene into a video. I click create video and write a slightly more complex prompt to see how it performed. My prompt is a motorcyclist escaping from police cars on the streets of Paris. After about 2 minutes, the video's ready. Wow, it's absolutely amazing. It looks like a scene straight out of a Hollywood movie. The result is professional and natural. You can purchase a subscription to this AI at a much lower cost compared to similar tools and use it for your own content creation. Of course, I'm not recommending buying anything. This video is purely educational, aimed at familiarizing you with the tools and seeing how they perform. All right. Now it's time to move on to our second AI tool.
The tool I'm about to introduce isn't just free and unlimited. It's right at your fingertips, and you probably don't even realize its full potential. Meta AI. So far, we've explored the first tool, but Meta AI truly changes the game because it's not only a professional chatbot, it can also generate highly professional images and video. Let's dive in and explore it together. First, we head to Google, search for Meta AI, and click on a trusted link. At the first step, we arrive at a page with a chatbot. which we can use just like ChatGPT. On the left-hand side, you'll see options like Vibes and Create. In the Vibes section, you can browse videos that have already been created, similar to Instagram's Explore. As you can see, the videos are seriously impressive, extremely well made, and very realistic. You can also use the prompts from these videos and customize them because all the prompts are displayed right there. Now, to create your own videos, you first need to log in. Just click the login button and sign in with your Facebook, Instagram, or email account. Once you're in the Create section, you can start making your own videos or images. I'll start by writing a relatively complex prompt, an action scene where I emphasize details like the environment, lighting, camera angle, and even visual effects to see if it can handle this fairly challenging prompt. Then I select Image and set the image size to 9:16. After that, I click Generate, and in just a few seconds, the image is ready. It's exactly what I wanted. It's incredibly natural, professional, and impressive. Now, to turn this image into a video, all you have to do is click Animate. The result is unbelievable and extremely professional. Next, I'll create another prompt. This time, I want a gladiator in a battle arena with lots of details. The environment filled with elements, armor, and swords. I even precisely define the lighting and camera angle to see how it will be rendered. Within a few seconds, the images are generated and they look exactly like a scene from the movie Gladiator. Every detail, the armor, swords, and lighting is perfectly captured. Now I want to turn these images into a video. I simply click Animate, and in less than a minute, the video is ready. The result is absolutely incredible. All the details are conveyed perfectly, giving the feel of a real and professional scene. Using this method and experimenting with different generations, you can achieve really great results. And as of the time I recorded this tutorial, this AI is completely free. You can use it to generate images, videos, and even its chatbot without any cost.
All right, now we're getting to the exciting part of the video, the section where this AI is absolutely blowing up social media with its amazing and hilarious videos. And the tool I'm talking about is none other than Sora, developed by OpenAI, the same company that created ChatGPT. Sora is currently completely free, and you can use it to generate as many videos as you want. The only catch is that you need an invite code to access this AI. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to get one so you can start using it easily. To get started, we head to Google, search for Sora, and click on the first trusted link. When you first enter the site, it asks for a username. So first we type in our username and click Next. Once we click Next, we arrive at a page with a message in two options. One lets us use the old Sora model, and the other is the new model, which requires an invite code. Let's first test the old model. Just click on Stay on Old Sora. As you can see, this is the older version that we can use to create both images and videos. I'll start with a very simple prompt, like a cat driving a car in a cartoon style. I select the size, set the number of images to 2, and click Generate. As you can see, the images are being created, and in just a few seconds, the images are ready. They look pretty good, but this isn't exactly what we're aiming for. Let's make it a bit more challenging. Now I give it a more complex prompt and set the model to video this time, then click Generate. As you can see, it doesn't create the video because this requires a paid subscription. So I switch the model back to image, click Generate again, and a few moments later, the images are ready. And honestly, they're incredible. They're high quality, realistic, and just amazing. So with the old model, you can still generate images, but videos are not available. Now let's move on to the new model, which is currently free. Just click on Join New Sora and then enter invite code. At this point, you need to enter your invite code, but how do you get one? Here's a method. Go to the website escaping.work, click on Get Invite Code, and follow the steps I do. Then it will give you an invite code. Copy it and paste it into the field on Sora. As you can see, the code works, and now we're in the new Sora model. As you can see, all the viral videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts with millions of views were created using this tool. Now we can also create our own videos. First, we write our prompt. For example, I typed "a cat destroying a car," which I thought would be fun, and clicked Generate. The video starts generating, and about 2 minutes later, it's ready. Wow, it's really good, super fun, and you can experiment with different generations and get inspired by other creators to make your own hilarious videos. Now I want to try another prompt with a more cartoonish vibe. For example, a few cats riding motorcycles while escaping from the police. I click Generate, and about 2 minutes later, the video is ready. As you can see, it turned out really well and is super fun. You can create amazing videos with this tool across all kinds of topics, and honestly, you should use it as much as possible because it's incredible. I hope you enjoyed this video and found these 3 tools helpful. You can use them to create your own content. Thanks for watching until the end. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. I'll see you soon with an even newer video.